My name is Brad Hall, and I'm covering a really important topic today: how to turn a pair of pants into a pair of shorts. I've already done it to a couple pairs of my favorite pants, and it came out great. So I'm excited to share this very simple method with you. You'll be turning your own pants into shorter pants in a matter of not very long at all after you watch this. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, turn my favorite pair of pants inside out. I like to grab down by the ankle and then pull through. It's really important to get it as straight and flat as possible. That's gonna make it a lot easier to get a clean line and get even pant legs on those shorts. So now that we've got our pants really flat, we're gonna take our favorite pair of shorts. I love the way these fit me. Had them for a long time now. I'm gonna put that, match up those waists. As you can see there, we're gonna match up the waistbands. Now I always take a peek at this crotch area. I wanna make sure that's lining up, and it looks like it is. So just cover all of your bases, trying to get it as flat and straight as possible. So once you get it as flat and straight as you can, get them lined up, you're gonna wanna grab a Sharpie or a piece of chalk, something that you can write on that pair of pants. We're gonna see if we can just make a little mark right there. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Just mark. So now we've got our lines there. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side now, being careful not to draw on my shorts. And now we're gonna use this straight edge. Find your marks going from point A to point B. Just take your time. Make sure you take a straight road to point B, letting the Sharpie drip onto the fabric. And we've completed our lines. Now, I recommend setting these shorts aside. You don't want to accidentally cut these. So I'm going to put them way over there. So I'm going to cut on top of the cutting board with the scissors. And now I just follow this line. Again, keeping it as straight as possible. Taking my time, got nowhere to go. So we got one done. Let's get this second. Notice my hand, it is not in the scissor at all while I'm cutting. It's off to the side. That's so I don't cut myself. And that's it. Move our lower leg portions. And look at this, very clean cut. Very excited about these. I took one of my favorite pairs of pants and turned them into this really great looking pair of shorts. Feel free to try this on your own. It's not hard at all. And the results, they are pretty incredible.